Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Monica, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the best vegetables to plant in November. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So, let's get started. Kale. Kale is one of the easiest and most reliable vegetables to plant in November. It thrives in cool weather, growing best between 45 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Unlike other plants that stop growing in the cold, kale keeps producing healthy leaves even after a light frost. In fact, colder temperatures make it taste milder and slightly sweeter. For most parts of the United States, you can plant kale outdoors in November if you're in USDA zones 7 through 10. Gardeners in colder regions can still grow kale indoors in a cold frame or in a greenhouse. If you already have kale in the ground, simply cover it with mulch or a row cover to protect it through winter. Care tips: keep the soil moist. Water regularly to keep the soil evenly damp, helping kale grow tender, healthy leaves. Feed the plants. Apply compost or organic fertilizer every few weeks to support steady leaf growth. Protect from pests. Check leaves often and use row covers or mild soap spray to prevent insect damage. Spinach. Spinach is a fast-growing leafy green that thrives in cold weather, making it perfect for planting in November. It can tolerate light frosts and even snow, and it grows best in temperatures between 40 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. For southern states and coastal areas, November planting can yield a steady winter harvest. In colder zones, use a cold frame or tunnel to protect young plants. Spinach matures quickly, usually within 40 to 50 days, so it's ideal for late-season gardening. Care tips: keep soil cool, mulch around plants to regulate temperature and retain moisture. Harvest often. Pick outer leaves first to encourage new growth. Fertilize lightly. Use compost or fish emulsion every few weeks to boost growth. Lettuce. Lettuce grows quickly and thrives in cool temperatures, making November an excellent time to plant it in mild climates. It prefers temperatures between 45 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit and can tolerate light frost with some protection. Loose leaf and romaine types perform best in fall and winter gardens. In areas with harsh winters, lettuce can be grown in containers indoors or in a greenhouse. Care tips: water regularly. Keep soil consistently moist to prevent bitterness. Harvest early. Pick leaves when they are young and tender. Provide shade. In warmer regions, give partial shade to avoid wilting. Radish. Radishes are one of the fastest growing vegetables, ready to harvest in as little as 25 days. They prefer cool weather and can be sown directly into the ground in November in warmer regions. In colder climates, use a row cover or greenhouse for protection. Radishes thrive when the soil stays moist and loose, allowing roots to develop evenly. Care tips: plant shallow. Sow seeds about ½ inch deep in loose soil. Thin seedlings, leave 2 inches between plants for proper growth. Keep cool, water regularly to prevent roots from turning woody. Beet. Beets are great for November planting because they can handle cold soil and mild frost. Both their roots and greens are edible and full of nutrients. In zones 7 to 10, sow beet seeds directly into the soil. In colder zones, use mulch or a cold frame for protection. Beets take around 50 to 70 days to mature, but young greens can be harvested much earlier. Care tips: keep soil loose. Avoid compacted soil to let roots grow freely. Water evenly. Maintain steady moisture for smooth roots. Thin seedlings. Space plants about 3 inches apart for best size and flavor. Garlic. Garlic is one of the best crops to plant in November, especially in mild climates. It requires a cold period to form strong bulbs, making fall planting ideal. Each clove, planted in late fall, will grow roots through winter and sprout in early spring. Garlic prefers well-drained, fertile soil and full sun exposure. Care tips: plant deeply. Bury cloves about 2 inches below the surface, pointed end up. Mulch heavily. Protect bulbs from freezing and weeds. Water lightly, keep soil moist but not soggy to avoid rot. Green onions, bunching onions. Green onions, also known as bunching onions or scallions, are excellent vegetables to plant in November. They tolerate cool temperatures and can survive mild frosts, making them suitable for fall and winter gardens in most parts of the United States. In USDA zones 7 through 10, you can sow seeds or plant sets directly outdoors. Gardeners in colder regions can start them in containers indoors or under a cold frame. Green onions grow best in temperatures between 50 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit and are ready for harvest in 50 to 70 days. Care tips: keep the soil loose. Loosen the soil before planting to help bulbs develop straight and strong. Water evenly. Maintain consistent moisture to prevent splitting or dryness. Harvest early. Pick young onions when stems are pencil thick for the best flavor. Turnip. Turnips are excellent vegetables to plant in November because they thrive in cool weather and can tolerate light frosts. They mature quickly, making them a reliable late-season crop for most parts of the United States. In USDA zones 7 through 10, turnips can be sown directly outdoors in November. Gardeners in colder regions can extend the season by using row covers or cold frames. Turnips grow best when soil temperatures are between 40 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and they can be harvested for greens early or for full-size roots in about 40 to 60 days. Care tips: keep soil loose, soft, well-drained soil helps roots grow evenly. Water regularly. Maintain steady moisture to prevent woody roots. Harvest on time. Pick roots while they're small for the best flavor. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the best vegetables to grow in November. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!